Hello everyone, I am the Nagraj. I am the Nagraj from CSC department. Today I am going to explain about the seminar topic on brain fingerprinting technology under the guidance of Nagavani V. Biradar Madam, Assistant Professor, Department of CSC ROMSC. So these are the contents of my seminar topic. Abstract. Brain fingerprinting is based on finding that brain generates a unique brain wave pattern when a person encounters a familiar stimulus. Use of functional magnetic resonance making in light detection derives from studies suggesting that person asked to live show different patterns of brain activity than they do when being truthful. Issues related to the use of such evidence in courts are discussed. The author concludes that neither approach is currently supported by enough data regarding its accuracy in detecting deception to warrant use in court. In the field of criminology, a new light detector has been developed in the United States of America. The invention is supposed to be best light detector available as on data and is said to detect even smooth criminals who passes the polygraphy test with ease. This is the introduction. Human brain, the most valuable creation of God. The man is called intelligent because of his brain. But we lose the knowledge of a brain when the body is destroyed after the death. After the death, the primary application of the brain computer interface is to map brain signal of being digitally. Brain fingerprinting is a computer-based technology designed to determine hidden information in individual's brain. It will analyze by measuring the electrical brain wave responses to the words, phrases, or pictures presented on a computer screen. P300. P300 wave is an event-related potential component elected in the process of decision making. It is usually elected using the oddball paradigm. It consists of mainly two subcomponents, P3A and P3B. Fingerprinting technique. Firstly, the P300 was being placed on the forehead to notify the response of the brain. Each response will denote a specific color: red, green, blue. Red represented information known by the suspect. Green represented information is not known by the suspect. Blue represent information of the crime that only perpetrator would know. Data analysis. The main models of testing brain fingerprint are recording of electrical brain activity, mathematical data analysis algorithm that compares the responses of three functions. Three functions are red, green, blue. Presentation of the response. Determination of the information present or information absent. Firstly, the info related to crime or incident, the preloaded into P300. The image shows the technique of brain fingerprinting. The brain fingerprinting, how it works. A suspect tested by looking the three kinds of information represented by different colored lines: red, green, blue. Red information suspect is expected to know. Green represent information not known to the suspect. Blue represented information of the crime that only perpetrator would know. Not guilty because the blue and green lines closely correlate. Blue and green lines are correlate. Suspect does not have critical knowledge of the crime. Guilty. Guilty because the blue and red lines closely correlate. Suspect has knowledge of the crime. As we observe the first response, the blue ray is not linked with the red responses, so the crime was not committed by the person. The above response spends that red member's response is linked with the blue wave, so that a crime was committed by the person. Brain fingerprinting versus light detector. The left image shows us the brain fingerprinting technique, how it operated by the officers. The right image shows the light detector, how the officers are operated. For analyzing the light detector, its response depends on heartbeat, pulses, etc. But in brain fingerprinting, only the brain response is analyzed. These applications. Brain fingerprinting is mainly used in FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, USA. Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) for suspect analysis. This technique mainly used in to suspect the person if clues resolving is negligible. Conclusion: Brain fingerprinting is a revolutionary new scientific technology for solving crimes and innocent suspects. With a record of 100% accuracy in research with US government agencies, actual crime cases, and other applications. The technology fulfills an urgent need for governments, law enforcement agencies, corporations, investigators, crime victims, and falsely accused innocent suspects. These are the references of my seminar topic, brain fingerprinting technology. Thank you.